Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our before class, 6th class social studies chapter 1, session 1 completed. This session 1 completed topics is what is our universe, what is celestial bodies, how many planets are there, how is rotates in our solar system, what is earth, what is realm of the earth, lithosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, we learned. Today, the lesson going on, the 6th class social studies chapter 1, session 2, topic is our earth in the solar system, satellites, man-made satellites, and asteroids, and meteoroids, and comets, and universe, and galaxy is discussed. Our first topic is satellites. Satellites is a celestial body revolved around the planets. Satellites is a celestial body move around the planets, and the same way the planets around the sun. Why? Because in our solar system head is sun. That's why all planets are revolved around the sun. So Mercury and Venus do not have any satellites. Mercury and Venus do not have any satellites. Remaining all planets have satellites. Mercury and Venus. How many planets is there in our solar system? 8 planets. Except Mercury and Venus, remaining all planets have satellites. Mercury and Venus do not have any satellite, but remaining all planets have satellites. The main satellite is Earth is one of the planet. The natural satellite of the Earth is Moon. Our Earth is have a one satellite, that is Moon. The Moon is natural satellite of the Earth. The Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. We see so big, we appear so big. Why? Because the Moon is nearer to our planet. Sometimes we see in the Moon, we appear so big. Why? Because the Moon is nearer to our planet. What is our planet? Our planet is Earth. Did you notice, children? So, the distance from Earth and the Moon, 3,84,400 kilometers. Distance from the Earth and Moon, distance between Earth and Moon, 3,84,400 kilometers. This is the distance between Moon and Earth. What is distance between Earth and Sun? 150 million kilometers away from the Sun. The distance between Sun and the Earth, 150 million kilometers. The distance between Sun and the Earth, 150 million kilometers. As like the distance between Earth and the Moon, 3,84,400 kilometers. The Moon moves around the Earth as it completes one spin. The Moon around the Earth exactly 27 days. 27 days, the moon rotating on its own spin around the earth. That's why the moon is one side you see, other side we don't see. That's why the moon is visible only one side, not visible in other side. Children, this is moon. This is moon. When we see this type of moon in the sky, full moon day, the moon is every day, every night. Don't like this full circle. Every day, every night, don't same size. Increasing. After 15 days, the moon will be disappear. The moon will be disappear day is new moon day. After 15 days, we complete down this like Purnima. So, this is the moon. You see, Neil Armstrong, an American astronomer, Neil Armstrong, an American astronomer, was the first man to step on the moon. Neil Armstrong, an American astronaut, the first man foot on the step of the moon, where on 21st July 1969. 21st July 1969, the first man stepped on the moon surface. He is none other than Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was an American astronomer, American astronaut. Which country belongs to Neil Armstrong? The Neil Armstrong, an American astronaut, the first man stepped on the surface of the moon 21st July in 1969. So, moon is our natural satellite of the earth. Natural satellite of the earth. The first astronaut goes into the space. Our Indian person is Rakesh Sharma. The Rakesh Sharma was the first astronaut goes into the space. Okay, children, this is the satellites. Okay, children, now we discuss man-made satellites. Man-made satellites. The man-made satellites is a artificial body designed by scientists and gather information about our universe for the communication of our earth. This is the man-made satellites. You know, children, this is man-made satellite. This is man-made satellite. This is the model of man-made satellite. The man-made satellite is a artificial body designed by scientists. It gathers information about universe and for communication to our earth. What happened in our sky what happened in our universe, the complete information given by these satellites. It is carried by a rockets placed orbit around the earth, the solar bodies. The important Indian man-made satellites is INSAT, INSAT, INSAT. Next one, IRS, IRS. Next one, EDUSAT, EDUSAT, INSAT. The short form is INSAT. This is one of the man-made satellite. Next, IRS. This is also one of the man-made satellite. Next, EDUSAT, EDUSAT. This is one of the man-made satellite. So many man-made satellites are sent into the space and collecting information about our universe. This is one of the man-made satellite. This is one of the man-made satellite. Especially ISRO. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization launched the satellite sent into the space. Launched the satellites sent into the space at launching station at the ISRO launching station at Sriharikota. The Sriharikota, especially Satish Dhawan Space Center. Satish Dhawan Space Center, especially the SDSC. This is also known as especially the SHAR. The ISRO is other name is SHAR Center. SHAR means the Sriharikota High Altitude Range Center. Sriharikota High Altitude Range. This is also renamed SHAR. Satish Dhawan, SHAR in memory at the Satish Dhawan. Satish Dhawan is one of the chairman of ISRO. So many our Indian satellites sent into the space here, Sriharikota. In Sriharikota, our Indian Space Launching Center is ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. This is also called SDSC, Satish Dhawan Space Center. You know something? On 24th September and 2014, 24th September 2014, mom mean MOM mean Mars Orbital Mission. Mars Orbital Mission. The Mars Orbital Mission launched by ISRO. This is the great success for our Indian government. That is great achievement. That is one of the remarkable incident in our Indian history. The Mars Orbital Mission successfully reached the orbit of Mars. They explore its atmosphere and topography. The mummies successfully reached to Mars and the orbit of Mars and explore its atmosphere and topography. This is our big success. ISRO has now the 4th space agency center of the world. ISRO is the fourth place. The satellites sent into the space. Fourth place in the world to reach the Mars after the Soviet space program. Soviet space program means Russia, NASA and the Space of European Agency, NASA. Did you notice, children? This is our man-made satellites. What is the useful of man-made satellites? The man-made satellites is an artificial body collecting information about our universe. Okay, children, after man-made satellites, we discuss asteroids. Asteroids mean irregular shaped rocks between Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids mean irregular mean not a regular or and uneven line. Irregular shaped rock between Mars and Jupiter. This is called asteroids. Apart from the planets and satellites, asteroids is apart from the planets and satellites. There are a number of rocky orbits. A number of rocky or irregular shaped objects which move around the sun. It moves around the sun. Next one, meteoroids. Meteoroids is a small rocky body in the outer space. A small rocky body in outer space is called meteoroids. Sometimes these meteoroids come to near our earth. Sometimes these meteoroids come to nearer to our earth and tend to drop upon it. This is the meteoroids. Next, comets. Comet is one of the part of our solar system. It is one of our celestial body, a part of our celestial body. A comet is a celestial body made up of head and tail. A comet made up of head and tail. It is a celestial body made up of head and tail. The head of comet consists of solid particles. A tail have gaseous phases. The head consists of solid particles made of gases. The famous comet is Halley. Halley comet is the famous comet. Halley's comet is the famous comet. The famous comet and close to the earth every 76 years. Halley's comet is very famous. It come to near to our earth every 76 years. It appeared in 1986 year. The Halley's comet is appeared in 1986 year. The next period when will appear? The Halley's comet is appeared in next and 2061. The Halley's comet appeared in 2061 year. Okay, children. Now, what is galaxy? What is universe? Galaxy means a cluster of stars. Millions of stars in the sky. That is called galaxy. You see, we can see white glowing path and this sky in a clear starry night. that is called Milky Way. Galaxy also called Milky Way. Why? Because we can see white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night. That's why the galaxy is called Milky Way. You know something? Our galaxy name is, other name is there. It is Akashaganga. Why that name is here? Our ancient India imagined to be a river of light of flowing in the sky. In ancient India, imagined it be a river of light flowing in the sky. That's why our galaxy is called also Akashaganga. Milky Way. Milky Way, the other term is Palapunta. Galaxy is a cluster of stars. The cluster of stars mean millions of stars is called galaxy. The galaxy, we can see the white glowing path across in the sky in the starry night. We see twinkling. That's why our galaxy called Milky Way. And other name is Akashaganga. Why the other name is Akashaganga put in the galaxy? Our ancient Indian people imagined to be a river of a light flowing in the sky. That's why our galaxy's other name is Akashaganga. So this is galaxy. Next, universe. What is universe? Millions of galaxies that make the universe. Universe means millions of galaxies that make universe. Scientists still find out. These scientists are still studying, find out what's happening in our universe. And every day, every night, they are trying. The scientists are trying to find out more and more information about the universe. So, this is the universe. Universe means the millions of galaxies that makes the universe. Okay, children. The 6th class, first lesson, our Earth in the solar system completed. Okay, now I will give you one assignment. The assignment is, okay children, I will give you one assignment based on the first lesson. Take your social textbook. Read the first lesson. Our Earth in the solar system. Make 30 bits. Take the social textbook. Read the lesson. Read the complete lesson. Make 30 bits. After, improve your learning questions is there in your textbook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions you write. Improve your learning questions is there in your textbook. After completion chapter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions you write. The second Roman is choose the correct answers. Textbook in page number 12. Page number 12 textbook, choose the correct answers with matching also. Next, third Roman, solve the puzzle. The cross lines and the puzzle is there. Down lines and cross lines. Solve the puzzle and textbook page number 13. This is the homework. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.